Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. And my name is KK Necessary, and I'm here with my boyfriend.
Hey,
Boyfriend.
I'm the boyfriend.
Name of my boyfriend.
I'm Evan.
And this is our second challenge. And if you have not watched our first one, it will be down in the description box
Below.
Yes, and please, as I stated before, remember to subscribe to my channel. So today's challenge will be the whisper challenge.
Yes.
Are you guys ready? I'm ready.
Hold
Are
on,
you
man.
ready?
Find the music first. It's loud.
What? Love got to do with it. Yeah, you have 3 chance.
3 words.
No,
3 things.
3 chance.
Oh, 3 chant.
What? Love got to do with it.
1. What? Go again.
What? Love got to do with it.
What? Got. Oh. What got. What got me?
What love got to do with it?
What? What?
What love got to do with it?
What's love got to do with it? What am I gonna say? What am I gonna say? Yeah, it has that effect on me too.
You say too slow. This light is bright.
Yes. Yeah. 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 I first think of 2 men. Can you light bright?
Is it easy to love me? Is it easy to love me?
Yes, I love you.
Is it easy to love me?
Is this lovely? This is lovely. Do you love me?
Understand.
Alright. 1 chance.
Is it easy to love me?
Is this true? You love me? That was close. We say is this is true?
Is
Love?
it easy to love me?
Is it easy to love me? I love chicken.
Yeah, say it too slow.
I love chicken. Chicken.
Say the last word.
I love chicken.
I love chicken.
Yes.
Crazy feeling wake up this morning.
Alright, come on.
Crazy feeling wake up this morning.
Did I wake up this morning?
Crazy feeling wake up this morning. Crazy feeling wake up this morning.
Missed the bathroom this morning?
Crazy feeling wake up this morning.
I am really glad that I woke up this morning. What? What was it?
Crazy feeling wake up this
Crazy
morning.
feeling wake up this morning. No,
The song.
something.
Crazy feeling wake up this morning.
Something about wake up this morning. It just looked like you had a bathroom. So I said, use the bathroom this morning. My headphones rock. My headphones rock.
My headphones rock.
Yes. Yeah.
You know say I lose, right? Priority mail. Priority mail.
A bag full of Milo.
No. Priority mail.
Breast milk.
One chance. Priority mail.
I use the fridge.
Priority mail.
Priority meal. Priority meal. We have a box down here. Where you guys can't see. That says priority meal.
Start at my ear. We can hear you.
Hi. Hi.
Hmm?
Hi. Hi.
Not here.
Best part of her.
What? So the first word.
Best part of her.
Best part of her.
Yes, that was it.
Epping service station. Epping service station.
Got maybe a ketchup?
Epping service stations.
Mint cherry t-shirt.
Epping service station.
This is my last chance. Milk cherry. I swear, milk. All me here, all me see is milk cherry t-shirt.
Epping service stations.
Epping service station. How many have I get that? I didn't say Epping part, Miss Move. And the service part. And the station part. Yes, if I never put them 3 words in, would I get it? You never tend to count that this because Mr. Point. Would I get it? This is fun, but yeah, damn, this is hard. Mr. More of a chance to win this spicy noodle challenge. Which, by the way, if you guys haven't watched it, I don't know if the link is gonna be somewhere here, but go check it out.
It's
Spicy
in the
noodles,
description box.
spicy noodles challenge in the description box below. More than win that, more than this.
Is it?
Yes.
Ready?
I love it.
I love it. What does it say?
Yeah, I love it. But that's an IT, but I'm saying it.
Chicken back.
Tea bag,
Chicken back.
school bag,
Chicken back.
gym bag,
Chicken back.
gin buckle.
Chicken back.
What does that say? Oh, me say, oh, bag, me say bag. Oh,
Yeah.
I keep when I say bag.
Chicken
That's
back.
back.
Ready?
An umbrella. An umbrella.
Yeah, say the middle word funny.
An umbrella.
Egg omelette.
An umbrella.
An umbrella.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the things are 3 words.
Yeah.
Not 2 words. But if you get but I couldn't tell us I those 2 words. Kind of, you know, I kind of make it too easy. So it's an umbrella. When we say umbrella, it's hard
Yeah,
to
it sound like 2 words because split it up in the first part.
because I'm going to try to stretch it out.
I don't want that. Why you got to be so insecure?
Macho picture?
Why you got to be so insecure?
Why what? Why is that little horn? Why is pigs mice run?
One more time.
Oh, last chance.
Why you got to be so insecure?
Why do I love you so much?
Why you got to be so insecure?
Oh, the song just play a while ago. The song just play a while ago. When I say some why, but I'm saying why do pigs run?
And that is it. You want to play it over your ears.
Alright, so this is gonna be the last question, guys. Me don't know the points. The points don't really matter at this point, because I clearly lose. Anyway, last question. 3 guesses.
What you say?
Apple juice. Apple juice.
Apple smoothie.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
Yes!
Apple juice, I said?
Yes. You get it. Apple juice. Yes, apple smoothie. Damn, man.
Apple smoothie in my ear first.
Yeah, so that was the last question. I said apple juice. I said apple juice.
So that was the end of our challenge, and without even counting, tallying the points, you guys should know who won.
Me, of course.
Obviously.
I mean, whenever that try.
Without
so
a
when I
doubt,
win.
babe,
So
you
when I win.
won. Yay! Not. So
That was fun though. Although, we never win, but that was fun. I was
You
laughing. I
notice
laughed
I
the
got
whole
all
time.
of yours.
Yeah, cause I speak so well, but just I don't know. I try to make up stuff on it now. Where you get all of them? Yeah, you get all of them. You never miss 3 chances on them, on any of them.
Because I'm competitive. If I don't know, I don't like games. You like games, but I'm a very competitive person. I guess that's why I don't like games. Because I don't like lose. So if I play a game, I
Yeah, go
lose.
lose.
I may get upset. So instead of playing, I just don't play so I don't lose.
Avoid.
Yeah, avoid losing altogether.
Yeah, this
This was a good challenge.
this was fun. This was really fun. Me, I laughed the whole time. Well, obviously
Me
you
too.
see it. You guys would have seen it on YouTube. I was just laughing. I was laughing for 2 reasons. One, me couldn't make out nothing what she said. But that's a part of the game though, because you have to read lips basically. But and the second reason I laugh is because I can't believe I'm a loser, but like after the first 3 questions I'm like, no, how this happen? How this make sense? This not make sense. This not fair happen.
So anyways, guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next challenge.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we'll be doing our next challenge soon.
Very soon.
Very, very soon.
Very, very, very soon.
Bye, guys.